Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 1 from exercise 5.1 and this question belongs from 11th class maths. So chapter 5 is, the topic of chapter 5 is complex number and quadratic equations. So here the first question is express each of the complex number in the form a plus iota b. So the given question is this, and this question we have to express in the form of a plus iota b. So before doing this question, I wrote some formulas here which is already given in our NCERT book. So go through with that, and you must learn all this formula because I am going to use that formulas in the given question. So if we have iota power 1, then it is going to be iota only, and if we have iota square, then it's going to be minus 1, and if we have iota cube, then it's going to be minus iota, and if we have iota power 4, then it's going to be plus 1. So these values, how these values arrived, this I already explained in my video, and here, and if the power of iotas are more than 4, so up to 4 you have to learn, and if the iotas power are more than 4, then that powers you have to convert in the multiples of 4, like 4k plus 1. So when we convert them, that time the values will start to repeat. So here we have power plus, means 4k plus 1 we have. So 4 1, what is the answer is 4 1 means if iota is power 1, that time the answer is iota, so its complete value is also going to be iota. And all the explanation I already explained in my video. You can go through with the basic concepts of this chapter. And if 4k plus 2 is there, then it is going to be same with iota power 2, that is going to be minus 1. In the same way, iota 4k plus 3, then it is going to be same with iota cube, that is minus iota. So by keeping these few formulas in our mind, we have to solve the question. So the question is 5 iota bracket multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 iota. So when we have to multiply it, the numbers you can cancel them because they are in multiplication. So 5 can cut by 5. So we are remain with minus 3 multiplied by iota into iota is iota square. Now in next step it is going to be minus 3 multiplied by minus 1. Now why we have done this? Because iota square is minus 1. So it is going to be plus 3. So just see students what we have done here. This 5 first cancelled by 5, and then we obtained here only minus 3 as the number, and then iota into iota is iota square, and iota square value is minus 1. So we replace iota square by minus 1, and after the product we obtained here plus 3. Now this plus 3 we have to convert in the form of a plus iota b. So here we got only the real part, imaginary part is missing. So imaginary part will create now by our own side. So it is going to be plus 3 plus iota 0. So like this we can create the imaginary part by multiplying it by 0. So it is going to be 3 plus iota 0. So this question is completed. Now we will move to the question number 2 of same exercise, and in this the given question is iota raised to power 9 plus iota raised to power 19. Now here, so since the power of iotas are more than 4, so we are going to write them the power in the form of 4's multiple. So we are going to do in the rough column like this. Power is 9, so just divide 9 by 4, you will get 4 2 ja 8, then 1 is remaining. So 9 we can write as 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1. In the same way for 19 also we will do. So when 19 is divided by 4, 4 4 ja 16 and 3 remains. So we can write the 19 as 4 into 4 plus 3. So I hope this is a division rule only, that is divisor quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9. In the same way 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 is 19. So conclusion is If the power of iotas are more than 4, then that powers you have to convert in the form of multiples of 4 plus remainder. So this 9 I am going to replace by 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1, and this 19 I am going to replace by 4 into 4 plus 3. So we will write here. So when we write it, we have to write it as iota power 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1, then plus iota 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3. Now the formulas which I wrote in the previous video are, if we have iota power in the form of 4k plus 1 and iota's power 4k plus 3, then its answer is going to be same as iota's power 1, that is only iota, and if we have 3, then it's going to be minus iota. You see here, I just mentioned here, if we have the iota's power 4k plus 1, then its value is only iota, and if we have the power in the form of 4k plus 3, then it's going to be minus iota. So these values you have to learn. These are the formulas. So learn the formulas because we have to directly use it. Now here this result, that is a 4k plus iota, 4k plus 1 is iota, and 4 iota power 4k plus 3 is minus iota, does not depend on the values of k. Here whatever be the values of k is not going to affect your final result. So we not have to think about that 4 is multiplied by 2 or multiplied by 4. We only have to concentrate that with plus what you are getting. Plus 1, are you getting remainder as 1 or remainder as 3? Like that we have to select the answer. So here its value is going to be only iota, and this is going to be minus iota. Then iota minus iota, same number subtracted from same number is 0. So it's going to be only 0. Now 0 we have to convert in the form of a plus iota b. So 0 complex number we have to create here, 0 plus iota 0. That's our answer. So answer is, in the same way, the third part of the same question. The third question of same exercise is iota's power minus 39. Solution. So since the power of iota is minus 39, and whatever formulas we have, in that you can observe that the powers I wrote as positive. There is no option for the negative powers. So just see the formula once again I am writing here. The power we have to convert as iota power 4k plus 1, or iota's power 4k plus 2, or iota's power 4k plus 3. So if power plus 1 is there, then it's going to be iota, and if power plus 2 is there, then it's going to be minus 1, and if power is in plus 3, then it's going to be minus iota. Now here you can concentrate that the powers are positive. We don't have the negative power here, but here we are getting minus 39. So firstly this negative power we are going to change to the positive power by shifting it to the denominator. So it's going to be 1 upon iota's power 39. Now this we are going to write as, now in denominator just do this 39 we have to write down in the form of multiples of 4 plus remainder. So 39 divided by 4. So 4 9s are 36. So it's going to be 39 we can write as, so 39 we are going to write as 4 multiplied by 9 plus 3. So what we are going to do is, here this 39 we are going to replace as 4 multiplied by 9 plus 3. Now, so this iota power 4 multiplied by 9 plus 3 is resemble with this formula, and its value is what? Minus iota. So we'll write down here minus iota. So it's going to be 1 upon minus iota. Now here you just rationalize the denominator. So when you will rationalize the denominator, this minus sign will shift in the numerator, and 1 upon iota multiplied by iota and iota. So it's going to be, so what we had done is we had rationalized the denominator. So iota multiplied here and here also. Now it's going to be iota multiplied by 1 is minus iota. So it's going to be minus iota, and in down iota square. Iota square is what? Minus 1. So it's going to be only plus iota. Now, so we have to write down this plus iota in the form of a plus iota b. So we have to write it as 0 plus iota, because we have to write down it in the form of a plus iota b. So that's why we wrote it. So its answer is 0 plus iota. Now, in the same way, we are going to do the question number 4th also. Question 4th is different from these questions. The question 4th is 3 multiplied by 7 plus iota 7, then plus 3 iota 7 plus iota 7. So in this, simply you just open the bracket. So it's going to be, first I am writing the question here, 3 plus 7 bracket 3 bracket 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7. When we open the bracket, this 3 will multiply by both, so it's going to be 21 plus 21 iota plus 7 iota plus 7 multiplied by iota square. Now what we have done, just see student here. Firstly, I open this first bracket by multiplying it to the 3. So 3 is distributed. So it's a distributive law. 3 is distributed to 7 as well as iota 7. So 3 7s are 21 and 3 7s are 21 iota. In the same way, iota multiplied by 7 is 7 iota, and iota multiplied by iota 7 is 7 came as it is. Then iota into iota is iota square. Now here 21 will write down as it is. 21 iota and 7 iota is going to be 28 iota plus 7 multiplied by minus 1. Now why we wrote this? Since we know that iota square is minus 1. So all these formulas you have to learn. These are very important formula, and it is available in your NCERT book. So learn it, because directly we are using in the exercise. Now here is going to be 21 plus 28 iota minus 7. So when we subtract it, we will get 14 plus 28 iota. So that's it. It is converted in the form of a plus iota b. So that's our answer. So in answer we will write it as 14 plus 28 iota. So this 4th question is completed. Now 5th question is also same like question number 4, and 6th to 7th question also. Now the question number 8th, 9th and 10th we have to do by using the identities. That I will solve in my next video, and I request from you all that after solving these 4 questions from yourself, you just try question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. Surely I am very sure that you will get your answer. Then also, if you have any problem, write down in the comments so that I can solve that question and I will upload it. And in my next video, we will start from question number 8th onwards. Thank you.